Hey guys, Jake from PDR Canada here. I wanted to show you a few differences in some of the types of glue we use. The classic original type of glue is just hot glue and a glue tab. And the way that works is you just put a little on the tab here. And it's hot. Before it cools down, you stick it on. And now once that sets and cures up, that's gonna be able to be pulled. And what's that gonna do is it's gonna raise the dent outwards. So there's a few different ways to pull that tab. This is called a slide hammer. And then there's other ways too, like this here, it's the same idea. Lifts it up, it just supports it on the sides with the feet. So yeah, I'll give this a little quick pull to show you. So it just slides in the end like that. And you see how it gave the dent a little pull there. So that's basically the original glue way. And then it's been out for a little bit now, but we use it like all the time. It's definitely a lot newer than the other style. And this is called cold glue. So you don't have to have a hot glue gun going. You don't need tabs. The tab stays on the slide hammer. And the slide hammer you use is the same. This little thing just unscrews and you can pull it out. So this guy can work in like pretty much any type of slide hammer you got. And the way this is gonna work is the same-ish way. You're gonna put it on, give it a little wiggle, and now it's bonded, and then a pull. So if you see that, this kind of just pulled it just as hard as that little gray tab did. So sometimes it's not really worth it to be heating up your glue gun, trying all these different tabs when you can really just pull this out, and that's all you need.